the world's largest database for woodworking projects. More than 16,000 plans, with step-by-step blueprints for various woodworking projects. In addition, you will also get new plans every month for free. Here are a few things the site has to offer. Easy to understand step-by-step instructions. Every plan has simple, hold you by the hand, instructions that will assist you to complete your projects quickly. Materials and cutting lists, ensuring that you get the right materials and make correct cuttings. This saves you a lot of money. You get sharp, colorful and detailed schematics. No guesswork is involved, you will know what to do and how to do it and complete your projects within the shortest time possible. The plans give you views from all angles. You will see how everything should look like before you start building. The intricate details for every joint, angle and corner make sure you are not left guessing. Click the link in the description for your 16,000 woodworking plans.